Hello my friends, in this video I will demonstrate how to create an animated accordion using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let's jump to the code. First we need an HTML file. For that I am creating a new HTML file and I am writing the basic structure of HTML and set the title to our animated accordion. Now create a CSS file style.css and connect with our HTML file. Link style.css and I have need some icon. For that I am loading the font awesome icon, CDN. This is the link of CDN and open it to the browser to see the output. Now write the HTML code of our accordion. This is the accordion main container. And div.accordion item. This is the single accordion item. And button.button. This is the header of our accordion. And this is the icon. Home HOME and this is the container of text HOME. And this is other icon that present in the right side of our heading. FA angle right. See the output here, the right angle and home not showing. For that I am adding FA hyphen. Now it's working fine. Now add some comments so that we can easily separate it. Now this is the content of our accordion, content wrapper, and this is the item that contains the element text. Here strong is the header of paragraph and this is paragraph. It's lorem ipsum and this is another, and here is paragraph and this is our demo text here. Let's duplicate this and change the heading of this paragraph and change the content of this paragraph. This is demo, not any serious matter. This is two-part, header and content. Button represents the header of our accordion. Here I am loading the fonts Roboto from Google Fonts. This is the fonts link I imported here. And I'm writing the basic structure of CSS normalization, body, padding set to 0, margin set to 0, and background color set to #EEE. This is the container of our accordion. This is main container. Add some style to this. Set font family to Roboto, ROBOTO, and this is the default font. If the Roboto font not load the sensitive part. And this is single item of our accordion underscore item, spelling mistake, this is item, and set box shadow to 0 pixel, 2 pixel. Sorry, this is not working. Repair this and set 0, 2 pixel and 10 pixel, and color set to #8884. Here 4 represents the transparency of our background color, our shadow color. This is the single item, and margin bottom set to on REM, add a border so that we can identify the section. I think here is some problem. CORDI1, spelling mistake. Finally this is working, and add some comment so that we can easily identify the single accordion. Here start and the section ended here, end, and duplicate this so that we can check the CSS style properly. Look at here, the margin now showing properly, and border radius set to 8 pixel, overflow set to hidden, copy the line and paste it here, and at btn, that is the that is the heading of our accordion, and set position to relative, and border none because this is a button, padding set to on REM, and display set to block, and also white 100%. Text align set to left, border 1 pixel solid red so that we can identify the section. This is our header, accordion header, and background color set to white, and font white set to bold, and also font size 1.1 REM. Outline set to none, and cursor pointer. Look at here, our cursor is changing, and border bottom 1 pixel solid, and color is 4441. Here 1 is the transparency of our color, and red border not needed, and transition set to 0.2 second and ease in out. Now copy this line and paste it here, and add some style to our right icon that contains F angle right, and this is here, this is that, and set transform rooted Z 90 degree, and translate, sorry, this is not, position set to absolute, top 50%, and right set to 0.2 rem, white to 30 pixel, and also height set at 30 pixel, set to 30 pixel. Display set to flags, align items center, and also justify content center. Now add a border so that we can identify the section. This is our section, and color set to hash 555, and border radius set to 50%, and also background color set to 5551, and rotate that set to 0 degree, and translate set to -50%, comma -50%. Remove this and set 0001. Here 1 is the measurement of our border color transparency. Transform origin set to 0 0. First is x coordinate and second is y coordinate. Transition set to 0.2 second, is in out, and copy this line and paste it here, and change the icon right to and add an active class to our single accordion item.active, and transform rotate Z to 90 degree, and translate set to -50%, -50%. Now add the active class to our single accordion. Active. And let's try this. This right icon rotate 90 degree. Copy this and paste it here, and change the icon right to icon, and add some style to it. This is our single icon, and margin right set to 1 rem, 0.5 rem, and display inline block. This is not working because we add this style to active item. Set the color to 333 and remove the active class here from here, and look at here, this is working finally. And copy this line and paste it below, and add active class and add some style for active accordion. Color set to RGB 255 and 175 and 0, which is a soft yellow color. And copy this and paste here, and also add some style for hover. Set filter brightness to 98%. When I hover this element, it's lost its light. For that, we're seeing the dark. And add box shadow to 0, 2 pixel and 6 pixel, and color set to 0001, and also border bottom set to border bottom color, because we already added the border bottom. And here I am changing the color to yellow color, which already used before. And sorry, we are not added the border, we added the color of text, a color of icon. And for that I am adding the border here, 1 pixel solid. Move to the top for check. Yeah, I already added this, because this is not working, because here I write the solid to solid instead of solid. I write the solid. For that, this is not working. No problem. Check it here. This color is decided. It's not looking fine. For that, I am adding some style to the item of our accordion. Sorry, copy from here and paste it here. And content, inside of this it has an item. This is it, and write subheading, and let's add it to 1 rem. Copy this and paste it below, and add some style to our strong. Take strong element that represents the heading of our paragraph and set the font size to 1 font weight 600 and letter spacing set to 1 pixel because this is overlapping each other. Now it's looking fine, I think. Copy this and paste it below and add some style to our paragraph. P and font size set to 1 rem, margin top set to 0.8 rem and also margin bottom set to 1.4 rem, 1.6 rem, and color #444, and this is looking like dark gray. Line height set to 1.6 rem and look it here, it's now looking fine. Now move to top and copy this, paste it here, and set a background color, display block, and set a background color also after adding some white 100%. Background color set to #FFF, which means white color. Now it's looking fine. Now add font size to 1.1 rem for other content and height set to 0 pixel because I will maintain it over JavaScript. Overflow set to hidden and transition set to 0.5 second and cubic buzzer 0.67, 1.3, 0.65, 1.29. This transition make a super nice bouncy effect. To check it out, remove this border and max width set to 600 pixel and margin set to 2 to center this. This is not looking fine. For that I am adding display flags to our body element and align items set to align items back to center and also justify convention up to center, and also need a height for this body. Yes, this is working and looking very nice. Remove this active class, we maintain it's our JavaScript. Now add our JavaScript file, it's not created yet. Now create this app.js and let's test it. For that we can understand that this is connected successfully. Open the console and write console.log script connected successfully and check it out to console. Hooray, this is working. script connected successfully. Our script connected successfully. Now select every element of our accordion item and look at here. This is our accordion item. Copy here and paste it here and add an S, because all our accordion items stored to this accordion items variable. This is the selector of our accordions, and check it that this is exist or not. If exist, then run for each loop accordion item. Here is a difference: accordion items and accordion item. And console.log, then see the output of our every single accordion. Now catch the every button and container here, so that I am declaring a variable accordion btn and accordion dot query dot selector dot btn, because this btn class is present inside of this accordion item. And also accordion content equal accordion item dot query selector dot content. And also check it that this is present to our document or not. If present, then checked out. This is our button and container not showing because we are set it height to 0 pixel and upper flow set it to hidden. Remove this and accordion accordion item dot class list dot toggle active. Here I am toggling the active class. Sorry, this is not working. What is the problem? Check it out. I'm not finding the problem. Let's check it. Where is problem? Finally we got the problem. This is a silly problem. And the board already set it. We need it when I click to the header of our accordion. For that I am adding an event listener. When I click to the our accordion button, it's set it, and when I again click to it, it's removed. Now this is working, and now we need to slide down and slide up the content of our accordion. For that I'm checking the content height. If the offset height of our content is greater than 0, this is our content. If the offset height is greater than 0, it means that the content is open. For that I'm setting the style.height to 0 pixel, well 0 ex, and if not, greater than 0, then I am showing here the height of content by consoling this accordion underscore content dot offset height. It returns the height of this element. Okay, now check it out. To console, click it here, look it here. This is set it to 0 because it's not any height. If height not greater than 0, then set the height of this content to accordion content dot scroll height plus px. Now check it out, a bounce effect, and it's looking very good, very good. Now I am commenting here that the accordion underscore content dot scroll height equal, it returns the scrollable height of it, scrollable element height. Now explore this matter. That's what is the scroll height. Look at here, this is our content and height set it to 0. I'm setting the overflow to scroll and height to 46 pixel. Look at here, the scroll level element. When I write the accordion underscore content dot scroll level height, it returns the height of this scroll level element. And look at here, this is very nice and working fine. The source code link is attached to the description. If this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you hit the bell. If you already subscribed, thank you very much.